What's up, Nova? Welcome to the podcast. You're on the hot seat now, okay?
Well, it's like,
That's
it's
it
not
right
hot.
there.
It's not hot.
Well, the people have questions for you.
Okay. What's the questions, everybody? Give me the questions.
All right, here they go. What's your favorite subject in school?
Math.
Math?
Yeah.
Nice. Are you good at math? Yeah?
Yeah.
Good. That's my favorite subject too. Did you know that?
You like science.
I like science, but my favorite subject is math. Okay. What about who do you think is the strictest parent? Who is the hardest parent?
Mom.
Okay. Who do you think is the most competitive in the family?
Dad.
Me?
Yeah.
You think I'm the most competitive?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll give you that. Why do you think I'm competitive?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I just picked.
You just picked? If you were a superhero, what would your superpower be?
Can I pick a lot of superpowers?
Yes. How many superpowers do you want? You want all of them?
Not all of them.
Which one? Give me.
So first flying,
You want to fly? Okay,
and
give
then
me your top three.
gymnastics powers.
Gymnastics power. What is that? What is a gymnastics power?
Like when someone tries to hurt me, I can do a cartwheel and kick them.
Oh, okay, all right. What about the third one? One more. Give me one more.
Karate, so I can punch them.
Oh,
if you
okay.
Trying
You
to
want to
hurt
punch?
me.
Okay. You want to cause some damage?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. What's the most important thing in your life right now?
First, doing what you and Mom says.
Okay. So listening to your mother and your mommy and your daddy.
You always say, "Put my dishes away."
Oh, but yeah, because you leave them out.
What? Why
And
can't
you eat.
Why can't you do it?
Because I have to teach you responsibility. And so when you
But why can't I not wash the dishes instead?
well, when you make a mess, you have to clean up after yourself.
That's a good point.
That's a good point. Okay. You with me on that one?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. What do you want to be when you grow up?
In the Olympics.
You want to be in the Olympics?
Yeah.
You want to be a gymnast in the Olympics?
Yeah.
Nice. Tell me something about gymnastics. Do you like gymnastics?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I just split the beam today.
Yeah. What's your best memory of gymnastics?
The best memory
Yeah.
is having fun with my friends when I do it.
Having fun with your friends. Cool. All right. Well, Nova, that's all the questions I have for you today.